train your English voice to use still and yet in sentences. We use still to talk about things that are the same as before, things you did not expect. For example, the ice show is still showing this week. I thought it was only showing last week. Another example, they are still waiting at the airport. I thought they left already. We use the word yet to talk about things that haven't happened until now, something you expected to happen already. It's used in negative sentences and questions and usually comes at the end. For example, has the show started yet? No, it hasn't started yet. They are late. Or, has he left yet? No, he hasn't left yet. He is still waiting. Let's compare still and yet. The ice show is still showing this week. That means the ice show hasn't finished yet.